Laughing Samoan tickets, $20. Your dad's Elvis Presley look-alike glasses, $5. A new anti-clothing shirt, $15.
Hey pretty, I got your text on my phone. That's kinda sexy, girl, an invitation to get it on. So where do you wanna meet? Tell me, what should I wear? I know you want this heat.
Where you going? Getting caught sneaking out to the Laughing Samoan concert?
Huh?
Priceless.
Is that my glasses?
Here we go. Where's my slipper? Junior! Hey, give me that tickets!
Too push, ring around, let's go. Why don't you sip my blue suede shoe? I ain't gonna do anything else on but my blue suede shoe.